A beautiful morning to you. This is Ron Janish. The market has been open for almost 2 hours. That's the New York stock market. And today is the 31st of October, and it's a Monday. Now, what do we have going on in the market? Well, let's take a look at ES. And as we can see, ES went down to the median line where it stopped. Now, as you guys know, just because prices go and stop at a median line, course members know that is not necessarily a reason for entering or exiting the market. If we look at this on a 30-minute chart, we can see that this morning there was something interesting going on in this situation here, which would have led quite a few people to buy. I know my friend Tom down in Florida would have been buying down here, and he likes to look for a very specific pattern. He's a real touchy engineer type, and he came and did a presentation on that at a live seminar. And we still teach it in the videos, only what we do is we show what Tom likes to see, what he showed us, and we also added another little feature that I like, which is a certain type of time feature. So that's what we have right now. And so what's my position in the market? Am I long or short, or what's going on here? Well, let's take a look. Boom. According to this, I bought some NASDAQ at 47.91. Now, where is 47.91? 0.25. Well, that's about here. Not a bad place to go long. Okay, so right down here, this is a half-hour chart, and we're looking at this having a lot more time. According to Andrew's time theory, there would be a considerable amount of more time. So let's let that be as it is, and let's let it fulfill its time pattern. And another one that's going to have a lot more time is this one here. This one says on the day it's down 90 bucks per position, and this one says the open is the P&L open is up 130. So that'd be 71.21, which would have been about at this price level here, going long. So as you can see, the market went up very nicely in a half-hour time period and now has been going sideways. Okay, and this one also has a good amount of time to complete its cycle. And Andrews covers all that kind of stuff in the expanded course. You can see it. And not only does Andrews discuss it, but in his written material, but he also covers, he also shows you effectively. So if you get a chance, get the expanded course. That's over at andrewscourse.com. Of course, it's only available to advanced course members. Okay, so if you'd like the expanded course, you need to take the advanced course, and then we'll go from there. Let's see what else. Let's see, we covered this. What about something totally different? Something like soybean meal. Let's take a look. There we go. So here we have the soybean meal, and this one kind of jolted up on the half-hour thing. So as you can see, we're on the long side on this one here. So we'll wait and see. This has a lot more time to go, so according to Andrew's time theory, and we'll just let her go. Okay. Oh, by the way, in December, it's going to be a very special seminar, and it's going to cover some really neat stuff. We're going to show the exact strategy that's been used and tested and used in the real market. And we'll show you all the ins and outs and all that other kind of stuff. The seminar is going to be up by Huntington Beach, California, a place that's not too far from where I live. It's in the next county over, Orange County, beautiful place. And if you'd like to stay someplace really, really nice, we suggest the Monarch Inn in Dana Point, lovely place. And we might be doing the seminar there or in Huntington Beach. We'll have to wait and see. They're not too far apart location-wise, so maybe a 15-20 minute drive. So anyway, we're going to cover a lot of material for the professional level course. It is a professional level course seminar, and of course there is no extra charge for anybody who's already in the professional level course program. Before we even talk about that, to anyone, you need to have already taken the expanded course. So if you've taken the expanded course and you'd like to participate in the professional level seminars, then please do let us know. And it's the next step up from the expanded course. Anyhow, so we have that going on. And what we're going to do is we're going to show you the exact strategy. And what we found is that typically it lasts, the trades last 2 to 3 days in the strategy we're going to talk about. And it's all futures. And we're going to talk about not only buy and sell stuff, but some of the money management strategy we've been using, which has been very easy to implement, just incredibly easy to implement, and very, very useful. So the result is that, for example, right now, that particular strategy only has 3 positions on, and those 3 positions are in the New Zealand dollar, in the NASDAQ, and in the, what is this? And in the soybean oil. And by the way, one of the things I discussed in the last video, which you can see now, let me get rid of this. You can see what's taken place since then. Is that a daily? No, I don't want to look on a daily on this. Let's move on to heating oil. Remember heating oil, when it was over here, if you look in the last video back around the 20th or the 19th of October, I was talking about how this was going to go down significantly and strongly. And, so what did it do? It kind of meandered over here. And now finally it's getting to the strong side. Okay. And so this is kind of neat that it's moving along the way it is. So anyway, I've got to get on going here, but I will see you those of you that are coming to the professional level seminar. Otherwise, if you haven't taken the Andrews course, please do take the Advanced Andrews course over at andrewscourse.com, or you can find us more information over at babsentrading.com, and we'll give you some insights there. There's a bunch more videos that we've made on a daily basis, so you can kind of follow the trades and put up some charts. Perfect 2020 hindsight, because those were all trades and things that happened several weeks past. Okay, so anyway, I thank you for your time, and we'll see you next time.